With over 20 years of experience in the fields of data and digital, Keyrus bridges the gap between technology and positive social impact.
Here is an example of how Keyrus is changing the world.
With 7.53 billion people sharing one planet and a finite supply of natural resources, humans consume a year's worth of the Earth's resources in just 7 months. Something must change. Technology can help us take on this challenge. We help our clients to leverage the data from sensors located in wind turbines through the industrial Internet of Things by delivering the artificial intelligence foundations required to perform predictive maintenance in order to prevent the wind turbines from breaking down. Because the planet deserves it, technology and insight developed by Keyrus contribute to a sustainable future in which green energy is favored over other resources. Every day, we actively work together to build the society of tomorrow.